I've never been to this shop. Did he give you an estimate for repairs? I asked him if he knew what the problem was. All he did was nod his head. Does he have any experience with a Harley Davidson? He said, an engine is an engine. He mostly works on lawnmowers. It sounded logical to me. I don't have a good feeling about this guy. Do you know anybody who had a bike repaired here? Bob took his bike here when he had bad gas. It took almost 3 weeks to get his bike back. 3 weeks? Oh my God. Did it run after that? Well, Bob said it didn't run smooth, so he drained the gas and refilled the tank. Purred like a kitten. So, there was no charge for the repair. Bob paid almost $200. They said they put in plugs, adjusted the carb, and advanced the timing. And they never dumped out the old gas? The guy said they never thought to do that. Oh man, I made a mistake taking my bike here. You, Harley guys need to understand more about a Harley Davidson. Do you think that would help? Without a doubt. The more you learn about your Harley, the more likely you will trade for a Yamaha. Maybe he will make it cut your grass too.